President, my adjournment matter is for the Deputy Premier and Minister for Education, the Honourable James Merlino. My question relates to his portfolio of education. One of the top issues that parents, students and teachers raise is the prevalence and impact of bullying on students' health and well-being. Mobile phones are regularly a part of this, whether it's the use of social media, video recording in the yard, or the use of Snapchat and messaging apps to cyberbully. Thanks to the Andrews Labour government, from the start of 2020, students will no longer be allowed to use mobile phones in government primary and secondary schools during school hours. This means phones must not be used or seen in the schoolyard, classrooms, or in between classes, except when directed by the teacher for learning purposes or if used for medical issues. The students will be required to leave their phones switched off between the first and last bell of the school day. Phones will be stored securely in student lockers. The Department of Education and Training will work with schools to identify alternative management approaches where necessary. The Andrews Labour government is investing $12.4 million to deliver the resources schools need to implement this ban. The funding will ensure schools have the support they need as they implement the policy. Schools will be able to apply for funding for secure storage resources that work best for their school. In secondary schools, mobile phones are most likely to be kept in secure lockers or a secure box. Schools will be able to apply for funding to purchase or upgrade lockers or buy new padlocks for existing lockers. For schools that don't have lockers or sufficient space, the Department of Education and Training is exploring other suitable options, including lockable pouches. The action I seek is for the Minister to provide an update to my office on what the schools in my electorate of Western Metropolitan Region need to do in order to apply for this funding so we are ready for the policy implementation early next year.